In a quiet village, young Maya stood by the lake, eyes wide with curiosity. She had always wanted to learn how to swim, but never had the chance. Today, her brother invited her to try. Her heart raced as she looked at the water, unsure if she could do it. Maya took a deep breath, ready to face her fears. Maya skipped into the water, feeling the coolness of the lake around her. She started to float, realizing she could swim. Her brother cheered, proud of her progress. She moved gracefully through the water, gaining confidence with each stroke. It felt like a new beginning, filled with possibility. Later that day, Maya and her brother went to the mountain. He wanted to try skiing, but she wasn't sure if she could. She watched him glide down the slope, feeling a mix of excitement and worry. She knew she wanted to learn, but she wasn't ready yet. The cold wind made her shiver, and she clutched her coat tightly. Her brother suggested she try a small slope. Maya hesitated, but her desire to learn pushed her forward. She stepped onto the skis, her heart pounding. The first few steps were shaky, but she found her balance. As she moved, she realized she could ski, even if it wasn't perfect. Maya kept practicing, and with each attempt, her skills improved. She could now ski better, though she still needed help. She danced through the snow, her laughter echoing above the wind. Her brother cheered from behind, proud of her progress. For the first time, she felt confident in what she could do. One evening, Maya sat on the couch, thinking about the day's adventures. She wasn't sure if she could do everything she wanted, but she knew it was possible. She looked at her brother, who had always been the best at skiing, and felt a sense of determination. She wanted to try new things, even if they were hard. In the library, Maya found a book about learning new skills. She could read it easily, but she was unsure if she could understand everything. She opened the book and started reading, her eyes scanning the pages. The words came alive, and she could see the possibilities of what she might learn with effort. The book explained that Ken shows ability and possibility. Maya could now understand some of the exercises. She practiced using can and can't in her sentences. At first, it was tricky, but she kept trying. Her brother helped her by pointing out when she used the words correctly, and she could feel her confidence growing. Maya went to the park and met some other kids. She asked them if they could speak French, and they laughed. She could speak English well, but she wasn't able to speak French yet. They offered to help her learn, and it felt like a new opportunity. Maya smiled, thinking that learning was always possible with time and practice. That night, Maya wrote down her achievements in a journal. She could now swim and ski, and she was learning to speak French. She also realized she couldn't do everything quickly. But she wasn't worried, because she knew that with effort, she could improve. She closed her journal and smiled, feeling proud of her journey.